ఏపీ సీఎం చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. వైజాగ్లో లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Every month or 2 months once, commercial tax I have completed it totally. That money 25% directly I can pay to commercial tax department. You will not bother. How to do it, we'll discuss with you. And ultimately, interface between industry and also industrialist should be reduced to the maximum extent. Then only we can do peaceful business. Even if you see progressive labor policies, skill development, robust infrastructure, effective law and order. And also, I am introducing now ease of doing business. If single application you can put in, I am preparing one manual also for that. That manual I will circulate to everybody, it will be online. On the basis of that, you can prepare application and also enclosures. You do not go to any department. Single desk system I am introducing. That single desk who is operating, that office will have all powers. Then naturally, he will clear within 21 days after your application. Any problems in that, naturally, there will be escort executive, he will be in touch with you, he will get all the details, and then by deadline 21 days, I want to clear all these cases. Wherever there are big industries, where special incentives are applicable, that we will discuss, we will debate in the cabinet or state forum, EDB like that board we are creating, there we will discuss. And then after clearing the project, within 21 days, every clearances will be given to you. That is how we are thinking. I want to benchmark, not Indian states. I want to benchmark best in the world. Overall countries who are doing best business in the world, how they are doing, I want to benchmark and I want to do that type of activity. For this we are having consultant. I asked him to be there as advisor for 1 more year or 2 years like that, execute it and also guide us continuously so that any improvements we can bring. Ultimately, no person should feel any problem in the process of starting this business. That is how we are thinking this type of activities. As on today, you are saying, I am projecting in a big way 24/7 power to industry. Generation capacity we are increasing in a big way. We are having advantage of sea coast. Any power project will come to Andhra Pradesh. But only one problem, we are very much worried about pollution. So that everybody want to have power projects in Andhra Pradesh, then they can supply to hinterland of India. Then this state will have a problem. So I am cautious about it. But there will be enough power for Andhra Pradesh. If necessary, we will export to other states. Even regional grids also we are working, and also focus on green energy project, and also energy auditing we are going in a big way. As of today, total losses, Kerala is the lowest, around 11%, either technical or commercial. Then is Andhra Pradesh 12.9%. I told my people, immediately they have to reach single digit. America is 6%, even China is 4.7% like that. Even some countries, Japan is 4.6, 4.5 like that. We wanted to reach international standards on technical losses and also commercial losses. Here I want to give you, our people are very good for that matter. Generally they will feel any theft means it is unethical. That's why some of the areas people are cooperating. And also even 4%, 5%, both commercial losses and also technical losses in some places. So ultimately I asked my people to reach 6%. They assured me it may be 2 years or 3 years, but ultimately, or 5 years, we will reach lowest technical and also commercial loss in the state. I introduced power sector reforms. I am proud to say, in India, I was the pioneer. I introduced power sector reforms. Even my opponent parties always